30th anniversary sa ating batch. Papasalamat na po ako sa oras na binigay ninyo. Dahil alam naman po natin na ang iba po rito ay nagmula pa sa malayong lugar. Pero hindi ito naging alintana upang makarating dito sa ating muling pagsasalo-salo. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. Oras, pinansyal, at higit sa masidhing dedikasyon upang manatiling matatag ang samahan ng ating batch. Yan po ang katotohanan dyan. It started out just another day. I took a shower and I went on my way. I stopped as usual at our coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one touch, we stood there face to face. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. I didn't know if I should go home. Bukas ako ng puwet! I knew that it would never be the same.
So kayo lang ata yung mariretain sa memory ko kasi napakagaling ng batch na ito. Di lahat ng estudyante naaalala kami. Marami tayong lakbayin sa buhay. Marami tayong journey. Sino ba kami para maalala niyo? Tapos na binigyan namin kayo ng grades. Pero tignan nyo, parati pa rin taon-taon. Iniiwasan ko na nga pero sabi ko this time, hindi na ako iiwas. Maraming salamat, Batch 95. More blessings sa batch ninyo. Napakababait niyong mga bata. Maraming salamat.
Happy 30th anniversary! Batch 95! Happy 30th anniversary!
It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on!
Gusto ko lang kung itong pagkakataon na to para magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, buong Batch 95. Salamat sa tulong pinansyal at tulong lalo-lalo na sa pagdarasal para sa paggaling ng mama ko.
Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A dedication to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Yeah, yeah. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration.
Thank you sa lahat ng teachers natin kasi kung ano tayo ngayon, sila po ay naging bahagi nito. Maraming salamat po.
Let's celebrate. Come on now.
Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright.